SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
If you've ever had to turn off or restart your iPhone, then you probably either used an option that involves holding the side button and the volume up button, then dragging that slider, or you've gone into the settings menu, chosen the general option, then scrolled down to the bottom of the screen and tapped the shutdown option. But if your iPhone screen is frozen, then neither one of those things is going to work for you. Fortunately, there is another way that you can restart your iPhone, and it won't require you to have access to anything on your screen. If your iPhone screen is frozen, then you're going to need to do something called a force restart or a hard reset. If you've ever had to deal with a computer that was frozen, then you probably just held in the power button for a couple seconds until the screen turned off. The force restart on the iPhone is pretty similar to that. You can do this by pressing the volume up button, then the volume down button, then holding in the power button. After a couple seconds, the screen will turn off, and then you'll see a white Apple logo, and the device will reboot and you can start using it again. A force restart looks something like this. You press the volume up button, then the volume down button, then you hold in the power button. Now, if your screen's frozen, you're not going to see this slide to power off button, so you're just going to need to keep holding in the power button until the screen turns off. Then you can release the power button, and then you'll see the white Apple logo come up. And then the device will continue to reboot, and you'll be able to enter your passcode and start using your iPhone again normally. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.